Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the easiest way to install Git and connect it to GitHub on your machine. First, open your browser and head over to git-scm.com to download the official installer tailored for your specific operating system. Launch that downloaded file and you can safely click Next through the standard setup wizard options because the default settings work beautifully for almost every user. Once that installation wraps up, open up your terminal or command prompt and type git space -- version to instantly verify everything is successfully running. Next, jump over to github.com, sign into your personal account, and click that prominent green New Repository button to establish your very first remote project space. Copy that unique repository URL from your browser, head back to your terminal, and type git clone, followed by pasting that exact link. You have now flawlessly configured Git and GitHub, creating a perfect bridge to start tracking your code and collaborating seamlessly with developers worldwide. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.